To school, I mean the tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you how to play this game. Yes, I'll be very slow. So don't even bother speed running this. Click the button to continue. Okay, so you see that you have 3 different items in your inventory. These items will be randomized when you die in the real game. The inventory system is weapon, melee, taunts, and specials. Please keep note that taunts are just there to make fun of your enemy. Now, with your gun, which is the M1 Garand, shoot the target that you see in front of you. Hey, the developer here for this game. You seem to have a problem when you clicked this button. What's wrong? Oh? Your gun isn't working? Let me fix that. Wow, this is really a challenge. I think I got it. Try it out now. Good, you know how to aim. At least. Now, continue to the door on your left, then click the button because MC sucks at scripting to tell if you entered the door or not. Okay, now you're going to learn how to use weapons that has certain powers. Equip the keyboard and press E if you are on PC, or press Y if you are on Xbox. But, before you do that, please take damage by touching this brick that I just highlighted in neon. Or you can just heal because why not? After that a door should open or something. I don't know, man. Okay, so now you're in this small room. This is where you learn how to crouch. By doing this you need to press C on PC, or B on Xbox to crouch. If you're on mobile then sucks to be you. Ha 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 ha. Click the button after you finish this course. Okay, cool. Remember how the old update had the worst rocket jumping thing ever? Now it's so much better. All you need to do is use launcher and shoot while jumping, or you don't have to jump at all. After that you'll get flung up to a certain place you need to reach. After doing that just go through the portal and boom, you're done with the tutorial. Hooray! You beat the tutorial. How proud did you feel?